this place full of flowers, the different flowers. This is the place where we always making sports. You look how nice it is. The mountain is covered by the cloud. Good morning. Let's have an exercise. Papa is there taking exercise. Good morning, kids. We're going to make our sports now here in our love tree at the park. It's our love tree.